the Master's Clinical Aesthetics program here at NASI. I couldn't be happier. This is not my first time coming to the school. Although I was licensed in 1999 through Pivot Point, I've always stayed connected to Miss Monica for all of my continuing education. I can't say how much I enjoyed the program. Not only were we able to work on so many different skin types and use so many different modalities, it really gave me the confidence I needed to go out and work for a doctor. Enjoyed the business program and the plethora of wonderful teachers that we got to experience in so many different product lines, and just everybody was very knowledgeable. I couldn't be happier. And I'm really excited to go out and see what I can do with this. Favorite part would have to be the friendships, number one, but being able to bounce ideas off of these other very talented people who are just as inspired to not just change the skin, but change people.